What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to summon some mobs. And please down in the comments what mobs do you want in the next video. This is going to be part 1. How to summon mobs part 1. So I hope everyone enjoys this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and that is all. So first, So guys, I just wanted to go to. So this is just easy, right there, and the dragon is right there. So I have 2 ender dragons. I'm gonna show you how to spawn them, and also this is just easy to do it. First you gotta go like summon, then go whatever you want, like blaze, arrow, skeleton, cave spider, chicken, cow, ender crystal, enderman, endermite, gas, guardian. How about gas? And there you have it. Whoa. Is she happy in this? Is he happy? I didn't saw his face. Is he happy? I can't see your butt. Your butt is just like a squid. Wait. They're sad. Oh, they're sad. Oh God! Yep. I am up in here. The Ender Dragon made. Oh my God, lava! They even made lava. So I think Ender Dragons can. Oh no! See guys. Well, I think they are only making their own home. But the thing, well, that is how you summon an Ender Dragon. So guys, don't let him spawn in your house, because if you do, she doesn't fit. Or you can spawn in your house, but you should make it big house. You put out the eggs, and you didn't spawn an Ender Crystal. Well, this is how you spawn an Ender Crystal. You know what is an Ender Crystal? This is okay. Let me just go back. Wait here, guys. So guys, sorry for the waiting. Let us know. So what do you want to spawn? I'll show you how to. So like I said, okay. So like I said, do you know what is an Ender Crystal? What is an Ender Crystal? Well, wait, no, I don't thought so. An Ender Crystal, and that is an Ender Crystal. You can see when. See guys, this is what I'm talking about. So, what more? Well, I still want to get more. So let us make. Oh wait. Summon. Okay guys, I learned this in a video. Remember the TNT exploding TNT video? You know, where freaking lightning, they will become something. You're a librarian, aren't you? Okay, then let's go. Go. See, guys, this is what I was talking to. This is what I'm talking about. See, he managed to make a witch. Get out, you. Okay. Just. That was just a game. Wait a minute, guys. This is really easy. So zombie horse, big zombie, or zombie villager. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.